Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to learn how to push value into JavaFx table view. So let's get started. So let's start inserting the value. Just go to controller, and here you have to mention the controller of this class, right? FX controller, and you have to give your package name JavaFx tables. This package name dot, this is your controller, controller. So okay, now it's pretty. Just initiate all these value, all this table view and column ID. I'm initiating all the IDs. Here one thing you have to keep in mind, that you cannot just push a string or integer value in table view. You have to create an object of a class which is called a model class, and we have to push the object of the class into the table view. So just let's create model class. I'm going to give the name of this class to product. So this is a product class. Let's get 3 variable for it, because we have 3 column: a name, price and quantity. I'm private string product name, product price, product quantity, and product price should be in double, and product quantity I'm keeping it in int. So we have to create a constructor here so that we can initialize it much more easier. So just create a constructor, right click here and click generate and click construct. So this is a constructor, and you have to create a getter and setter method to communicate with this class. To create the getter and setter method, just right click here and generate, or you can just click alter insert and click getter and setter and set all of them. So this is okay. You cannot keep your variable data type string to give data into table view. You have to make it simple string property, and for the double it should be simple double property, and for the int it should be simple integer property. And here you can see this give me error, so let's fix it. Right here, new, this is product name string. Okay, simple string property, just pass the value here. Now write new simple price is double, so double property, and here new simple integer property, quantity is in int. We have to fix this also. So wherever you find get in written in your variable name, you have to be careful just where you can find this get. So just write dot get, copy this, go update, and write everywhere. Here you can see get product price, so I'm giving this get here, and this is also quantity, so I'm giving it. And for all of this in product name set method, we have to create new product name simple string property, new simple double property, and new simple integer property. So this class is finished. So our product class is ready, and now we have to connect this table view and table column to this product class. So to connect this, just write product. For the table view, it should be product or name of the class, and the column, it should be product plus the data type it should be given to column name. So column name would be string. So here in product price should be double, product quantity should be integer. So our table ID and column ID variable initialize is finished. Let's create an initialize method for this controller class. Implements initialize. We'll just implement this method, and here we have to connect this column name with this product class. So to connect this column name with this product class, just write call name set cell value factory new property value factory property value factory. Here you have to give the name of your product class. Thing is, this is a column name, so column names means this thing, and to connect with this product class, we have to keep in mind that we need to give the here in string we need to give the name of this set.product, these name. If you mismatch this, this will not work. So you have this is be very careful to give this string here. So get product name, so just copy the product name. So for column name, make it column price, and for column price give get product price, and for column quantity give it product quantity. So product quantity. And now our all our table column is connected to our product class. We have to create an observable list to push data into this table. So just create an observable list. So to create an observable, just write observable list. In here give product class, give a name observable list, fx collection dot observable list. Yes, here just give new product, and our product constructor takes a string, a double, and an integer property. So give a string, let's give Thorab, which is my name. A double should be let's say 24.1, which is my age, and for integer just give what, 0. So it gives me an error. Okay, I understand. It should here I make some mistakes. It's not observable list, it's observable array list. So our data is ready and our column is ready. We need to just push this data into our table view. So push the data in table view. Write the ID of the table view. Here is the ID. Set items. In set item, just give this observable list. So if you run this project, let's see what happens. Your table is ready and you have insert a value here. So if you want to insert a multiple value here, just create another and write maybe Kabir. So just run it again. Now you can see you have two values here. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get know much more about JavaFx and table views, and I also give a tutorial about Android and other stuff. So keep sharing my videos and give a thumbs up. Thank you.